In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Hostinger domain to Framer. Now, before we start, if you want to buy a cheap domain, make sure to check out this video description. So the first step is to simply open your Framer website, and then you're gonna have to click on settings in the top right corner. Now, once you get here, on the left side, you're gonna have to click on domains and then scroll down. Now we're gonna have to simply select connect a domain you own. Now for this, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. So once you select here, you're gonna have to go to Hostinger, and on the left side you have domain. So simply click on domain portfolio, and then you're gonna have to enter your domain name. So this one here, you're gonna have to enter it here and then click on this button right here. Now, once you do that, you're gonna see something similar to this. So you should have a CNAME and these two options here. So now, in order to make this work, we're gonna have to add these to Hostinger. So I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So first, go and click on your domain name in Hostinger, and then you're gonna have to click on DNS here on the left side. And then you're gonna have to simply, so first of all, we're gonna have to make sure to use Hostinger name servers. So let's click on save. And then what we're gonna have to do is simply scroll down. So here we have DNS records. Now, as I showed you, we're gonna have to add CNAME. So here we're gonna have to select CNAME, and then we're gonna have to add here the name. So here it says name, we're gonna have to add it here. And then here, this is the value. So you're gonna have to click on it to copy it and then simply place it here. It says target and then click on add record. And then it's gonna look something similar to this. And then what we're gonna have to do, so don't forget to add these two here also. So after you click on add record and you add the CNAME, you're gonna have to simply select the A record here and then simply copy these values here. Now, after you add all these three values, so you should see them right here, you're gonna have to go back to Framer and then simply refresh the page, and that should work. Now, keep in mind that it's gonna take a little bit until this loads up. It's not instantly, but after 10-15 minutes, it should work if you followed every step. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.